Run, peacock. Be free.
Drop an eagle in another eagle.
What?
Another eagle.
Meow. Meow. Oh, there's more down here. We have found the one, ladies and gentlemen.
I found a gator.
Yep, that's right. Found a bird nest. All the eggs and all the birds might have got eaten because of this monster. Look at it. It's big. Can I take it home with me and keep it as a pet?
No.
Can I feed Shelby to it? Can I feed Shelby to it? Why? Oh, the birds over there. There's a duck thing over there. Look at it. It's gonna go all the way over here and get eaten. Pop, you see this bird nest right here? What do you think happened to the birds? They got ate. Yep. These are tiny devil monkeys. They're adorable, but they trick you.
They're what?
They're adorable, but they trick you. They're demon monkeys. Look at it.
Look, Pop, you been here
this
before?
one up here. Look at him.
Oh yeah, that was weird.
And a bird right there. And another bird. It's a hawk. Caca! There's the thing that threw Aquila off the cliff in my last video. At the tiger. I'm gonna throw Ethan in there with the tiger.
Shut up, Avery.
That's a devil cow. Mom, it's a devil cow.
It's a zebu.
Yeah, I know that. This pig, this bacon right here, this ham,
Stop
this
doing that.
pork chop.
Stop.
Look, there's another one over there.
Yes.
Look at
Look over here.
that. Give me some bacon.
It's a pig.
Oh, he's peeing.
Avery.
I'm getting this on video. Jeez, that thing's got a tank full.
Just this smiling hog.
That's freaking hilarious.
That's just for you, Avery.
No, that's for the audience. That's for all the views. Look at it. It's huge. It's a tortoise. Look at it. Hello, buddy. Hello.
Going over there with Avery? Okay. Avery's
Oh.
coming over there with
What you doing? It's a tiny one over there under that
see?
log. He's poking his head out. It's so small. Look at it. You see it, Grayson? You see it? Look at it. Huh? Huh?
Everybody's worried about the Carl. Nobody's looking at you, huh?
Oh, hello.
Grace, see the bird? Up here.
Wait. Can you talk?
Look up at the tree right here. Look right here.
Grr.
Up here. You see her?
It's not
See the
a.
bird?
Huh? What?
Come on.
What is it?
Go. Come on.
Okay. Huh?
Come on, babies. Come on, Grayson. Come on.
Hey, bye, bird. Bye, turtles. Alright, bye to you too. I'm coming, Grace. I'm coming. Okay.
Come on.
Oh, look at the owl. Look at it. That's cool. What a gerbil. That's a big cat. I think that whole Maggie would have a fit. Well, that thing will destroy Maggie, but with Maggie's demon powers, Maggie might have the advantage.
No, Maggie look around that thing and go,
Uh-huh.
She go in there in the kitchen and get a knife out.
Yup. Oh, look, there's another one over here. He's sleeping.
Oh, no, there's another one there.
I figured there was two of them in there.
Yeah.
This is sleeping.
Yeah, he's sleeping. He's a
That
tiger.
got the right idea.
And look at a monkey right there.
baby Avery.
Yep. No, those are Pop's long lost relatives.
No way, Jose.
They got beards.
What
Hey,
is that?
Eve, hey, look at that zonga.
They got beards. It's got a beard.
We know.
Oh, there's one over here.
Yeah.
Grayson, did
Look
you
at that
see
thing
the
straight in the
kid
face and make it
asleep?
fall down.
Look over here. See him asleep in his
If
bed?
Avery looks at it straight in the face, it looks
Look in his bed. Right down there in his bed. You see him? Right there?
Hello.
In the red?
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. That's not what they sound like. They scream.
That must be Rudy right there, Mickey. That must be Rudy.
Say, smell my pits.
Rudy.
Smell my armpits. I have a beard.
Look, he's climbing. See?
Spider monkey. Spider monkey. This is a spider monkey. Scratching the pits. Oh, I had an itch. I had an itch.
Did you get that on video?
Yes, I did.
Avery, don't,
I got the pink pig on video.
Avery, don't drop your phone.
I'm not going to.
Avery, you gotta show that one to Pop because he missed it.
I'm going to post this on video.
Have you got an itch?
I got an itch. What you talking about?
Grayson said, "Mom,
I got an itch. What are you talking about?
Yeah,
It's hilarious.